not sitting there, sleeping next to him.
You could cut that off.
What a fat fuck.
Cutting off like a Sikh's fucking hair or something.
You said that in the same way.
Oh, I was going to put it on YouTube. I'll put it on YouTube, just put a link on it.
Link to YouTube.
Link.
I love this game. Anton. How you doing?
Oi, waiter!